What's up everyone, this is RXR and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox SJCAM 4000 and test its features and video quality. So let's roll in. Time to unbox it. Let's break the seal. So upside there is one seal. So it slides off. Beautiful. The package is great. So this is the action camera with 30-meter waterproof. Okay, pretty. Okay. So this is the small camera, 2-inch LED screen, the power on and mode button with the OK button, up and down, and this also has the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's keep it aside. Let's see what's other in the box. So in the box, accessories, we have the mount adapters, mount, one more mount. So this is the helmet mount. Okay, and this is also the helmet mount. We have two pretty stickers of SJCAM and a manual. Nothing much. Let's get to the camera. So this is the camera. This is a plastic body. The battery compartment, slide this and lift up, so this comes out, and pull it out. So this is a 100 mAh battery, and let's on it. So press the mode button and it will switch on. So this is the display. Right now it's at 1080p 60 fps. Here are the two ports and micro SD card slot. Okay, let's see the other feature. This is right now video recording. Now it's at photo mode, slow motion, gallery, and setting. For setting, we need to click the OK button. So here we can see it's a video resolution. It's a 1080p at 60 and 30, 720 120, 60 and 30 fps, 2.7K at 30 fps, and 4K at 30 fps. Now it's at sound recording, time lapse, loop recording, slow motion only. And for the next, we need to click the mode. Here we can set the setting of action camera, white balance, exposure. Here we can set the date and time and press OK to exit. Let's see the video samples which I shot